Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play BeamNG Drive on PlayStation 4. Unfortunately, BeamNG Drive is a PC-exclusive title, meaning it is not natively available on the PlayStation 4 console. The game's advanced soft-body physics simulation demands substantial computing resources, which are typically found in high-end personal computers. Therefore, you cannot directly download or play this specific game on your PlayStation 4. We will explore why this is the case and discuss potential alternatives. BeamNG Drive's core strength lies in its incredibly detailed soft-body physics engine. This engine simulates every part of a vehicle in real time, calculating deformation and damage with remarkable accuracy. Such intensive calculations require a powerful central processing unit and a robust graphics card, which are standard components in gaming personal computers. Console hardware, while powerful for its intended purpose, is generally not optimized for this specific type of highly demanding, open-ended simulation. If you are looking for a similar driving experience on your PlayStation 4, there are several excellent alternatives. Games like Gran Turismo 7 offer highly realistic racing simulations with stunning graphics and detailed car models. For those who enjoy vehicle destruction, Wreckfest delivers thrilling demolition derby action with its own impressive damage physics. While not identical to BeamNG Drive, these games provide engaging and high-quality console driving experiences. To truly experience BeamNG Drive, you will need access to a personal computer that meets its system requirements. A good gaming PC with a powerful processor and dedicated graphics card is recommended for the best performance. You can purchase the game through digital distribution platforms such as Steam. This will allow you to enjoy its unique physics and vast modding community, offering countless hours of realistic vehicle simulation and creative freedom.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.